Hi guys, it's me, Brandy. I'm hopping on today and I'm going to be sharing with you guys family photos, do's and don'ts. I'm going to be going through a really quick list of the top do's and don'ts for your family pictures. I have a large family, so getting ready for pictures is always, it's something that I start preparing for a month in advance. Getting the outfits, getting the right looks together, and I'm sure if you are a woman and you want to look your best in your family pictures, you guys are going to love this video. I'm going to be touching on these topics so you can see if this video is for you. I'm going to be touching on what is the best thing to wear for your family pictures. And this is targeted towards women, so if you're a 30-something, you're going to be able to relate to this. What colors are best for your family pictures. I'm also going to be covering what makeup you should wear for your family pictures, even if you're someone that doesn't traditionally wear makeup. I'm going to cover the best makeup practices for your family photos and what colors you should wear for your family photos. So I'm gonna kind of touch on those topics, and I hope this helps because I've been preparing for my family pictures, so I know you ladies are preparing too. So I am going to cut right into the most important piece. It's you. If you're a mom and you're watching this and you're prepping for your family photos, you're the main event and you're the lady I'm talking to today, and I'm gonna just dive right in on your number one best bet for what you should wear for your family pictures is a jacket of some kind. And I'm not talking a hoodie, girlfriend, okay? So, and I kind of wore, I wore a really great jacket today just so I can kind of explain to you why you should be wearing a jacket. I don't personally care what color it is. There are some best practices for color. Jean is a wonderful color in pictures. It looks the best. Jeans should be worn over black leggings any day of the week. And I'm just gonna kind of share with you how to look really streamlined. I suggest, ladies, that you be wearing a jacket of any kind, just as long as it's not a hoodie or like a sweatshirt or like a weird cardigan that's like super loose. What you should be wearing, I don't care what size you are, I don't care how much you weigh, if you're tiny, if you're on the plus size, you should be wearing a form-fitting jacket of some kind with really nice, clean lines. Something with a collar, just something that is actually very fitted. Look how fitted that arm is. So you guys can see, you're not gonna see any, you're not gonna see any unattractive anything. Okay, you guys, you wanna get a really nice fitted jacket. I brought another jacket out that I wanted to show you guys. That would be another really great option. This one's dirty, so I didn't want to wear it on camera today, but I always like to do as real videos as I possibly can. But this is another really great jacket. It has a really strong shoulder line, and you guys, those look the best in pictures. Anything that just really gives you strong, clean lines in your pictures is your best bet all the time. T-shirts, hoodies, cardigans, any loose clothing, honestly, you guys, they're just going to make some of your pictures look awkward, and you're just gonna feel a little bit of an unhappiness with what you wore. And once again, this does not matter what size you are. So I want you guys to find a jacket. Now let's go into colors. And I'm gonna put a little side note right here on this. Get your husband a sports jacket too. And I learned this with my last photo shoot. My husband didn't wear his sports jacket in the last photo shoot. I will show you here. I kind of wanted to show my own pictures. He wore a flannel on this one. He also wore a t-shirt under it, and he wasn't near as happy with the one that he wore his sports jacket. Okay, so you guys can see it's a really neutral. It's nothing fancy, nothing dressy. He's wearing his jeans with it. He's got his little boots on, his favorite boots. So he was able to still keep it super casual. Don't freak your husband out with, like, the suit and tie. Just get a jacket on. And once again, I was telling you, you're going to love all of your pictures if you and your husband are wearing a fitted, formed fitting jacket. I don't care what size you are, and try to avoid the color black. Black just, honestly, it really dulls your pictures, okay, you guys? So I try to stay away from black. Black is a working color. It's for work. When I was in the salon, we wore black all the time, and it honestly, the reason why we wear black all the time in the salon is so we don't see stains on our clothes. When you're taking pictures, you can get really nice, dark colored, rich colored jackets, and your pictures are just gonna look so much better. So that is one of my top tips. Okay, so as I mentioned before, just go for the rich colors. Get you and your husband a jacket and go for the rich colors, the burgundies, the deep colored jeans. Ladies, I would suggest wearing jeans over leggings. I know you feel like leggings might be more flattering, but honestly, overall on the picture, if you have a really nice tailored jacket, I would get a really nice pair of jeans to wear with it, because it's going to look better in your actual picture. I know you might feel more comfortable wearing a legging, but I would suggest getting a more jean style legging if that's something that you're more comfortable with. Okay, so with that being said, I get a lot of questions about patterns and colors. I already just went over colors, but patterns, I personally would put any kind of flannels, stripes, or any kind of patterns on the children or one of the spouse. So like I kind of shared with you before, in this one I have the stripes on, and then everyone else is pretty solid. So you guys can see I have the stripes, and then everyone else just kind of has a Mod Podge of, you know, just kind of blending it in there. I'll show you here, and I kind of follow these best practices too. He has the flannel, and then he has the stripe. So I would just kind of put them in there as pops. And I do like to kind of color coordinate, but nothing matchy. So, and another great tip that you can do if you guys like to decorate like I do, is you could even kind of like match up your colors with the colors of your house. Like if you're gonna do a big picture of your family, you know, kind of vibe your color patterns with your house. Just to make everything really pop. But honestly, just kind of find one thing. I know this year I went off of, I'm sorry that there's this glare on here. I went off of the scarf. The scarf was a striped scarf. And then I just kind of grabbed stuff through the house that kind of went, and we're all wearing jeans. So it actually was really easy, and I didn't have to spend a fortune on getting everybody matching clothes. So I don't suggest everybody matchy, but be along the same lines, and I think you're gonna absolutely love your pictures. Ladies, I wanted to talk to you about makeup, because this is a big one, and I am even talking to you if you're a lady, which there's a lot of you that does not wear daily makeup, so you're kind of like, why should I go into my family pictures wearing makeup when I'm not a person that wears makeup? Let me talk you into it, okay? When you go into Walgreens, grab yourself the lashes and the glue while you're at Walgreens. This is not something that you need to do every day if you're absolutely not interested. But you guys, wearing false eyelashes strips during a family picture is going to level up your look 10 times, and it's worth it. Okay, even if you go into Sephora or you go into Ulta and you see those beautiful lashes that are $15, and you're like, I'm never gonna wear those. Guys, wear them for your family pictures. It's going to level your look up 10 times. You're gonna look at that picture and be like, oh my God, I look so good. And that's what you want. Like, yes, you want your kids to look good. Yes, you want your husband to look good. But honestly, you want to look at your pictures and feel your best. So make sure that you're wearing falsies in your family picture. That's the time that you go get the falsies besides Halloween. Okay, so another makeup tip I have is just make sure you grab your lip liner and a neutral shade of lipstick. You could even go even stronger with your lipsticks if you wanted to, you know, go into the bright reds and stuff like that, whatever you want to make it pop. But I'm talking just in general, a lot of women don't wear lipstick anymore. And when you're doing pictures, you need to get your lipstick on. When you're doing pictures, you need to wear your lip liner, okay? Because we want our features to actually show up on camera. All of us are beautiful, and we need to see we need to see our lips, we need to see our eyes, because that's what the falsies does too, is it makes us look younger, and it opens up our eye, and we just look great on camera. Same thing with your blush, you guys. Make sure you're over rouging a little bit for your pictures, because you want to see your beautiful features come through on camera. I do things specifically even when I'm making a video, so you guys could see my features when I talk. And I do these things because I'm on camera. You should do the same thing. You're gonna have your family pictures for life. So you wanna take the extra steps. It's worth it. It's totally worth it. So go get the stuff, spend a couple bucks extra and invest in it. You're gonna love your pictures. The other tip I'm gonna share with you is get the fake fingernails from Walgreens. You know those fingernails that you see that are in they're like French tips, whatever, you guys, those look so good on camera. I'm not kidding you. So that's just another extra tip. Head to Walgreens, pick up the French tip, long fingernails, pick them up, put them on for just the pictures. You won't believe how many times in a picture your fingers are actually showing, because it's a ton. And those are things that you notice when you're going through and you're like, oh, I don't like this picture. My hand looks weird, or my nail polish is chipped. Like, little details for your family pictures do matter, and you're gonna have the pictures forever. So just take the extra 5 minutes and look your best. Okay, so I just wanted to hit on a couple don'ts for your picture, okay? So the don'ts that I went over before are no loose fitting clothing, no t-shirts, no hoodies, no strange sweatshirts that like cling, and what are those other things called? They're like cardigans. They're very loose and they do strange things on the body. Stay away from those. So those are don'ts for pictures, okay? Anything belted, fitted, that, you know, like I said, if you want that coverage and you just want to look really put together, get a nice jacket on. We'll stick with the don'ts. Don't wear your hair up. That's another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about with hair. Do not wear your hair up in a ponytail or halfway up. You will see strange things in the picture. You might see one part of the ponytail on this side and then nothing on this side. It will turn you into a super picky monster, which you don't want to be. And especially you guys, I can't be that picky because I've got 4 kids and nobody's looking at the camera at the same time. So we can't be that picky. So you and your husband are going to be your harshest critics. So you guys, like I said, don't wear your hair up and wear your hair in a very natural way. I wear my hair like this on camera because it's super natural. And if anything is too hairsprayed or too glued or needing to be in the exact right spot, the picture is gonna look funny. I'm gonna share this one with you because this was a mistake that I made with one of my family pictures, and I don't want you guys to make it too, so this is why I'm making this video. Okay, you guys can see how put together my hair is. It is very hairsprayed. It ages me. It makes me look older. It makes me kind of look like a political person that's like trying to like just seem like I have frozen hair. I don't want that in my pictures. I want to look young, youthful, not so, you guys know what I'm talking about when everything is just like so perfect. It makes it something else that we don't want for our family pictures. So I do a lot of loose waves that are not perfect because it really looks great on camera, and I don't have to be so picky. If something is not curled or whatever, it all just flows and it looks really great. So don't have a tight, perfect hairstyle. Same thing with straightening. I feel like people that use the flat iron all the time, you get into weird, perfect territory. And just as a hairstylist, you guys, perfect hair, it gets weird looking on camera. Okay, so another don't that I loved, the recommendation, which I never do this, is make sure everybody's toes are covered. Make sure your toes are always covered. Don't do sandals. Don't do stuff like that. Cover the toes and, you know, try to stay as neutral as you can with your shoes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once again, sometimes the feet don't even show up in your family picture, so I wouldn't spend that much time on it. But one of the don'ts was don't show your toes during a family picture. Okay, so my last don't, and I'm getting off here, girls. Don't be so picky. Honestly, we need pictures of our families. I know so many women who pass altogether on family pictures because they don't think that, oh, I want to wait till I lose weight. Oh, I want to wait for this. Oh, I want to wait for that. Don't wait. If anything, you guys, work with the best of what you have right now. And I promise you, you'll turn into the person that you want to be. Get yourself dressed up, spend the extra money, take care of yourself, know that you want to look the best in your pictures, and go out of your way to make yourself feel very comfortable in your photos. Spend the money, spend the time, so when you get the pictures back, you love them and you love yourself the way you look and the way you look with your family. So important. Don't pass on the pictures, you guys. Don't pass this year. Get your family pictures. Get all the information you need so you can look your best no matter your size. I see it too many times with moms. Oh my gosh, I'm going to wait till I lose weight. Stop waiting till you lose weight. Do it now, okay? And with that being said, follow my best practices. This doesn't have to be expensive. Go to Walgreens, take the extra step. Every time you take the extra step, it is 100% noticeable. So know that. Don't skip family pictures this year. Just find someone in your area. I personally do get my family pictures taken locally. That's something that's important to me, is to keep my money local. And with that being said, last year, I did take a lot of time putting all the pictures together, and I want to share with you, literally when I opened up those pictures last year, I cried. That's how much family pictures can mean to you if you take the extra time. I literally started crying when I seen my kids. I was also pregnant, but at the same time, like, pictures matter. So take the extra time and make sure you get your family pictures taken this year. Done this year, okay, you guys? Guys, if you found this video helpful today, make sure you click down below into my description. I have a free guide. I've got lots of free tools that I would love for you to sign up in the comments. And don't forget to click subscribe, because if you liked this video, my other videos will help you. So click subscribe and click down below in the description box. And I've got lots of free goodies for you to really help you feel pulled together every single day. Bye, guys.